Welcome back to the Hot Lead Farm.
Whoa, 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 what do you think you're doing? Taking my lines.
Anyways, today's a range day. We've got a few options here, and we're just gonna blast away, and y'all get to watch and see how awful we are at shooting these guns.
We'll do our best, I promise, but it's gonna be a little easier. We got a torso-sized target up there, so it's kind of nicer to be able to shoot at something beefier and bigger.
Yeah, something that's more
stable,
catered to the size of what we would be shooting at in a self-defense situation.
Exactly.
But like,
again,
you know,
it's just a range day, and we've got Cameron over here. Come on in, Cameron. We got
don't worry, take your time.
Yeah. We got Cameron here. He's gonna do a little shooting with us. This is Tristan's brother. We've got an assortment of guns we're just gonna be shooting. So I'll try to mention what guns we're shooting, but at the same time, if I don't, sorry for that.
I reckon we should let the revolver master start here.
Everybody ready? That should be it. That's pretty good shooting.
Cameron? Go ahead and pop 5. There is no safety on the block. It's just full.
You didn't load one in the chamber.
Just go rapid. No.
I know, I'm stupid, I realize.
Hot lead. That was Tristan's SIG and Glock. Now I'm gonna let everybody shoot a full mag of 45 ACP out of this Garrison 1911. I forget, you gotta hold this gun to the left a little bit. Aim center mass, see what happens. You're out. It's doing pretty good. Yeah. Alright. Here, Cam. Now you gotta hold on to this thing. There, it's loaded. When you pull back the hammer, it's ready to go. It doesn't fit the best. I know. It's just an aftermarket mag.
So what you said is one-handed?
You can if you want to. I have. It's just rough on you. Yeah.
I'll do one-handed.
Sexy shot.
I think you're a revolver man, man.
Oh, I love her.
Yeah, that's what they'll do. You want to run the AK? I'm getting ready to pick up the lever gun after I load this and shoot 4. Just throw it in there.
One barrel.
One barrel.
Now what?
He's gonna let you shoot the AK. Shoot 10 rounds. Is it loaded? Why ain't it loading?
I know why.
Clipping. Oh, it's too tight.
It's only got 10 rounds in it, right? Oh, you put 20 in both?
30.
Oh, so it was already loaded with some.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't think you had any loaded in it.
Yeah, no.
Oh. Okay. So we can still save extra ammo for when we do the review. Okay. Good. Good deal. I didn't think you had it loaded. Not bad.
That's all it was. Brass check. Seat forward. Safe.
Here.
Yeah, you just flick it all the way down. Bam, ready to go.
Do I need to charge it or anything?
I did take the red dot off of this, y'all, just because I couldn't get it sighted in time. So we're rocking with irons.
We ain't got no more 9s over here.
What if I touch it that way?
I was gonna shoot the SIG a little bit.
Try hitting just the
Notice when I smacked the ground.
How many's left in it? 10 should be? How many did you shoot?
probably more than 10.
I'll just shoot 10, let you finish.
Okay.
Only missed once?
You just have to speed it, huh?
Yeah. Speed run.
I wanted to try to take a little bit more control, like
I
inside
guess I'll
shot,
shoot it
because I was
until
aiming for
it
head.
doesn't shoot anymore. You must shoot it till it stops shooting.
Go for it.
That's good. Anyone want the big boy again?
This thing's accurate.
Yeah, it is.
Very
I
accurate.
like the big one.
I've taken. What is that?
This is 45 long
Dude,
bolt.
That's what
I just messed up.
I didn't know it was long.
Grab the tip.
Burnt your fingers.
Oh yeah. It's
Well,
cooking.
I have 10 more rounds, which means 2 more turns with the revolver. If yins want to go for it, yins have shot this gun the least.
Yeah,
Alright, I'm
I would
done.
love to go at it again.
Freaking-
That's enough for both
I
of you to
watched
go
this
one
video
more
of
round.
this guy shooting a gun until the tip turns orange.
See, here's how you load. Here, I'll show you. If you're going to load to put the hammer down with just 5, which you have to do with these
You
guns,
put one, go backwards,
put 1, go 2, then load.
and then you'll stop on the last one.
And then pretty much what will happen is when you're done, see that last one's right there, pull the hammer back,
Ready to go.
and there's nothing underneath the
goes
hammer.
that way, right?
Yep. Who wants to go first?
Tristan, you go. You
Have some fun.
one-handed combo.
Did you get the hammer back all the way? Yeah? Huh. Shouldn't have been a dud round. Maybe it just didn't hit the primer right. That sounded like 5. Nope, it just didn't hit the primer right. That whole spiel was a little bit sketchy, but I didn't want to hand it off just in case. Yeah, I got that. I got you there.
Does that one have the same like clicker thing?
Huh? Yeah, you click it back twice to load.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all old revolvers are made this way. And this one does hang up a little bit sometimes. It's a little tight, the tolerances are, and it's not gotten worked in yet, so you sort of have to manhandle it sometimes, but it's whatever. Yeah. Good to go. Easy with it.
That last one was a little bit weird. I
This
think
one
that
doesn't
round
have a
zipped
safety,
off.
does it?
Nope,
different than
nope,
rest
the
of it.
hammer is your safety.
Yeah. The hammer is usually you don't touch it, you don't do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Can I shoot the baby target?
Yeah. You shoot the groundhog dog, just not the baby.
What did I hit?
You hit the baby target.
Oh. Let's see if I can do it.
Cameron's in one of those friggin' 1850 duels, like 10 pace steps. Like,
Hey, you know your magnifier's on, right? I mean, not your magnifier, your red dot's on. Turned on. What were you using to aim? Feet.
irons.
Sure that's it?
Give me a shooting gun.
Yeah, I'll double check it. It's on. It's turned on. It's been left on. Somebody left it on. So I'll have to replace the battery on that soon. And the one good thing about these,
It's one. Yeah.
you can spin it really good.
That's one where you can put.
Let me see if that red dot's on or not.
Huh?
Let me see if that red dot's on or not.
You must not have loaded the new one in, did you? Yeah. Were you aiming center? That's where you hit. Red dot's on.
So the red dot's dead. Like serious, like right on.
I know what it was. We were shooting at 100 yards and it wasn't hitting. But close, it's at home.
The more you know. The more you know. PTSD from all this hot brass, bro.
Dude, that's shooting a whole lot better. Hot.
I'm at you. Take it like that. Hit him in the face with the hot brass and then shoot him again.
Okay, I've only got enough for 2 runs
One
left.
barrel.
You got that, Tristan, and then did you rack one?
No.
Okay. Did you want to have another go? All right.
That way you can actually see the.
Yeah. 45 ACP's moving a whole lot slower. That's his, not mine.
Yeah.
All out?
Yeah.
Steam.
Yeah. Well, that's the gun oil. It's got tons of oil. Look at the barrel and tell me it doesn't have a ton of oil on it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. 45 ACP? Yeah. Dude, that gun runs smooth for now. Like, it's accurate and smooth now. Now bump it home. Back you one in.
Wherever you were aiming, Cameron, it was hitting low right.
This gun shoots a lower.
Yeah, it shoots a little lower.
Yeah, I
You could
noticed
watch
that
the
'cause I was
bullets go
holding center
downward.
mass, and when I was getting it level, it was shooting below.
This one was the one I was aiming to the right. The other one I was aiming to the left. Anyway. Oh, well, that's all for this video, folks. God bless yous. Hope yous have a good day. And we'll see yous next time. Go throw that hot lead.